Revenge shot. No. Ow.
Stop hitting it like a pansy.
I can't feel my arm.
Good, you'll be able to hit it harder.
Oh God. Oh God. Ow. Ouch. You're terrible at this game. So am I.
I should have put this up a long time ago. Good job, Joe. Wait.
Did you just hit?
Just headbutt it.
Ow. Ow.
Oh,
I'm so afraid this thing's just gonna come back and hit me.
Jump ball.
I'm crying. Crying right now.
Joe, you crossed the line.
Where everybody dies. Brett, I don't think there are like rules in this game anymore.
wait, there were rules?
What are rules?
You cannot hit the opponent in the face.
I think Quinn should be.
Why do you think I don't want to
You gotta
play?
make a new rule. No, you're not. You're like twice as tall as I am. Malice and intent. Ouch.
Let go.
Switch sides.
Joe, you're winning!
All of you let go of the ball.
Hey guys, I just won. Actually, the way. No, we switch sides. Sides does not matter which way you throw the ball. Yeah, but you that side you were hitting it from that direction. My side you won. Move on. Noob.
Joe, are you sweating?
What?
It's
you
hot
sweating?
out and he's going against Tetherball.
Of course he's sweating. Yeah. I'm not that bad.
Tetherball would be so